You're watching How Leap. If you've seen alarming headlines or videos about a CapCut security notice, you're likely wondering if it's safe to use the popular video editor right now. Let's clarify the facts directly. The viral security notice many see is actually a standard, legitimate system permission prompt from your phone. It's not a virus, but a required access request for the app to function, similar to when a camera app asks to use your microphone. The core safety question revolves around CapCut's parent company, ByteDance, and its data practices, which have drawn scrutiny from governments concerned about potential data access by China. For the average user, downloading CapCut only from the official Google Play Store or Apple App Store remains the safest bet, as these versions are vetted and currently considered safe from malware. To maximize your privacy, review the permissions you granted, deny any that seem unnecessary for editing, and consider not linking sensitive social media accounts directly. While no app guarantees 100% data privacy, the official current version of CapCut is not considered malicious software. For more clear tech explainers and tips to navigate your digital life confidently, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching How Leap.